PGK Kitchens is an independent kitchen supplier. We have 3 showrooms across London, one in Bounds Green, one in Wimbledon, and the new one open in Mayfield.
From the very first point of meeting the client, it's always a very personal experience for them, and we really try to work with the client. Personal experience is what makes people recommend us.
We are a very friendly team across all the showrooms. We work together with you as a client. We love what we're doing, so we love the design aspect of it.
PGK offers a free design service for first-time clients. We design their dream kitchens based on their requirements.
I love designing in general, so if I can help a client achieve their vision into reality, that I know that I'm doing it great. We do have great reviews online, Trustpilot, Instagram, Google reviews. Just go and check them out and you won't be disappointed.
With clients, it's more about attention to detail and really listening, not just to what they like, but what they also dislike, and making sure that their design suits them personally.
Sustainability is very important for us. We do offer sustainable options across our collections, and we deliver a product that is designed to last in time.
We are able to do designs that are more modern or traditional as well. We also have a bespoke offering for truly unique designs.
It's exciting because when you see something on paper become reality, it's just a great feeling.